Guys, my name is Croydon Rose, and today I'm going to talk about the top 5 things that we have learned during this lockdown. Point number 1. We have learned that living a pure and healthy life is not expensive at all. It is just we people in this society. We just want to show our status. We end up buying expensive stuff, going to expensive restaurants, having expensive alcohol, going clubbing, going shopping every now and then, buying stuff that we do not even need. Whereas a simple life would include having a meal cooked at home with your family, watching a movie, and that is not expensive at all. Point number 2. We have learned that most of us have become amazing cooks. We did not know we had this talent until we were locked inside a house and we had to cook for ourselves. We do not know the status of the kitchen that we are ordering from, if they are hygienic or no. We started cooking by learning from YouTube videos, and 20 days into this lockdown, we have started uploading our own videos. Be proud of your talent. Point number 3. We have learned to do most of the household work by ourselves. Washing vessels, cleaning and mopping, washing clothes. The more we do it and the more we sweat, the more we realize how valuable our maids are. They have been doing this since years to help us out. We have realized that we can use one spoon, wash it, and use it again. Then why do we have to use 10 spoons for 10 different things just because we have a maid? Many of us have become so expert in doing all the household work that we think that after this lockdown is over, we do not even need our maids. Let's fire them. But put yourself into their shoes. If your boss calls you and tells you that they do not need you anymore just because someone else can do your work, would that be fine? I don't think so. Please respect your housemates. Point number 4. We have learned that, just like us, even this earth needs some time to rest, some time to heal. Just imagine you are living in your 2 BHK, spick and span, and you throw a party for around 20 people. After the party, what you see is there's food crumbs everywhere. There is water spilled. There are so many vessels to wash. There is shoe marks everywhere. You spend hours cleaning it. Even after that's done, you can still have that odor there. You would still want some time for all this to heal till you can throw the next party. You cannot even imagine of having your next party the very next night because your house won't be pleasant again. That is what our earth is facing right now. Right now, there are less people on the road. There is more cleanliness, more greenery. There is less noise pollution. There is less pollution altogether. Our earth is healing. It needs more time to heal. And this lockdown has taught us that by giving this earth some time, it will be a much better place to have a party. Point number 5. We have learned to value things, to value money, to value time. We shouldn't spend it unnecessarily. To value our job, never take it for granted. To value the resources that we have. Eat how much you need to eat, not how much you want to eat. We have learned to value the help that we get from our housemates, the help that we get from people who come to our doorstep to give us things that we really need. And more importantly, we have learned to value life. Those were the 5 things that we have learned. The reason I say we is because many of them have agreed to what I just said. If you agree to what I said, you can add yourself into that we and share this video. If you have any more learnings from this lockdown, do not hesitate to comment below and share with everyone who can see this. Be safe, be at home, take care.